Alright, so what I'm doing here is just cleaning up all the rocks that were kind of brought up by trenching, and just get those out of the way so that it doesn't interfere with any of the growth of the Bermuda and cause any problems long term. And moving on right here, I am spreading some urea, which is a 4600, into the areas that I'm going to sand, and hopefully this will help speed the growth up and get the grass to grow through the sand a little bit quicker and get on our way to having a level area here.
Oh no. That's not good. Oh shit.
Right here, I just wanted to get a quick mow in, not much more to it than that. Just try to get it as short as I can in case I put sand out in some other areas. So this right here is a fun part. This is the sand that I brought in, and this is me trying to figure out the best way to go about this. My first instinct was to shovel out a pile and level it with this rake, and it was not the best way to go about it. First, it didn't get anything level, and it was taking a pretty good while to do it this way. But as you see here, I've kind of gotten a pattern going here, and I found a good method for me that really helped speed things up. So what I do is just put this board out, and one end's on the driveway and the other is on the grass, and it just kind of creates a level playing field between the driveway and the grass. And that was my goal here, was to build the sand up to the driveway and also level out the trenches. Okay, so right here I'm just watering down the sand, trying to kind of work it down a little bit. I didn't have a brush. A lot of times people will say to brush the sand in, but I didn't have that available, so my goal with the water was to, as you see, get the sand off the driveway, but also to hopefully get the sand down and pack it in. Alright, so this is the final product. This was done on Friday, April 26th, I believe. And I'm taking pictures every day, so I'll keep you guys updated really soon on the progress and how that's going. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and leave a like and comment, and I hope you have a good day. Appreciate it.